Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to Watch. So we have another unboxing to do, but first of all, just want to say I didn't have much time to do videos. Most of the time I just make quick short videos in these past weeks. Hopefully wouldn't be so busy in the next coming weeks, so hopefully I'll make more videos of coins, and of course that'll be mostly old ones, and I like old coins. So, and even stamps, I haven't I haven't done lots of videos of stamps too. I have lots of stamps, but didn't have the time. So yeah, hopefully this coming week we'll make some more videos of coins and stamps. So we'll open up this one. I think it's another interesting coins. I haven't bought stamps, as still have lots of them. And see, this one is properly wrapped. Here we go. See what's inside. Oh, okay. Wow. So I have these two old silver coins from the reign of King Richard II of United Kingdom, and see the date here, 1377 up to 1399. I believe that's the reign of Richard II. It's a small coin. It's a hammered one, and as we can see, it's minted in London, and long cross with 3 pellets. I bought it in I bought this one from one of our what do you call that, numismatist, or expert in this sort of old coins. As you can see, it's a very small one, and of course it's not circle. I think in the old days they what do you call that, they cut it in halves or 1/4 when using or buying food or whatever. See, it is a silver coin. It's very hard to identify. I salute those people who are expert on these coins. So we got Richard II, and we also have this is Edward III. So it's Edward III coin from, I think it's his reign, 1351 up to 1361. So it's just 10 years he reigned, same as Edward VII, who also reigned for 10 years. And there's no known vintage. Long cross with 3 pellets in each quarter. So it is also a silver coin. See, Edward III. Here we go. It's also been cut to pieces. So 3 pellets in each quarter. Okay. So that's how he knows. 3 pellet in each quarter. I have 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay. Edward III and Richard II. Two very old coin. So Edward III is older than Richard II. As we can see the dates, 1351 to 1361, then 1377 to 1399. Two old silver coins, so nice one, a nice addition to a collection of old coins and silver as well. So thank you very much. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on the notification settings. See my playlist for more videos of coins and stamps. I hope you all have a good day.